Welcome to WMUL-FM Training. I'm Mike Stanley. This is the 8th video in our series on Rivendell Radio Automation. This video will cover the concept of timed events and how to set them in RD AirPlay. A timed event tells Rivendell when to jump through the log and catch up. The top of each hour is set as a timed event. When the computer wall clock reaches the top of the hour, it will automatically move the log to the next legal ID. It will jump over any extra songs that are between the current song and the legal ID. This function allows WMUL to overschedule each hour. If a scheduled song does not play for any reason, then there are extra songs in the log to fill up the hour. Each hour is scheduled for 65 minutes of music. The timed event keeps the log on track by jumping over any extra songs at the end of each hour. You can identify a timed event in the full log and in the button log. In the full log, the text for the entire entry will be in dark blue and bold. The estimated time and scheduled time will both start with a capital T. In the button log, the scheduled start time will be in dark blue and bold. You can edit a timed event or create a new one by double-clicking on the log entry to open up the Edit Event dialog. This checkbox is what sets something as a timed event. Check it to make something a timed event, uncheck it to remove the timed event. This box is what sets the scheduled time of the timed event, in this case 1600 hours. This control, Action of Previous Event Still Playing, sets what kind of timed event it is. There are 3 types: Start Immediately, Make Next, and Wait Up To. This event is set to Make Next. That is the most common type of timed event. When the clock reaches the scheduled time, whatever song is playing will continue to play, but the timed event will be made next in the log. Any additional songs between the one that is playing and the timed event will be skipped over. Another option that is used in a few places is Start Immediately. When the clock reaches the scheduled time, whatever song is playing will be stopped and the timed event started. Any additional songs between the one that was playing and the timed event will be skipped over. WMUL uses this type to start the 5 p.m. edition of News Center 88 precisely at 5 p.m. and on Monday at 4:30 p.m. to start Making Contact precisely at 4:30. The final option is Wait Up To, which is a hybrid between the other 2 types. With this option, you can set a minutes and seconds duration for how long to wait before playing the timed event. For instance, if I set this to 5 minutes, then at 1600 hours, whatever song is playing will finish playing for up to 5 minutes before playing the legal ID. It will even let additional songs play during the 5-minute wait. WMUL does not use this type of timed event as of this recording. The time display on the log does not distinguish between the different types of timed events. You have to open up the Edit Event dialog to learn whether it is a Start Immediately, Make Next, or Wait Up To. Here we have the top of the hour about to hit. It is 59:30 on Monday. Right now the song Drowned by Sorrows is playing. It has over 4 minutes remaining. The songs Fine Young Girl and Stay Go are scheduled before the top of the hour. Now you see that at 1600 hours, the song Drowned by Sorrows is continuing to play, but the log has skipped over the extra songs, and now the legal ID is next. Now we will take a moment to cover a bit of an advanced topic. This video and the manual refers to the top of the hour and a timed event as being one and the same. That is a simplification. WMUL's music schedules are configured to place a timed event at the top of each hour. However, it is possible to set a timed event any time in the hour and to set multiple timed events in an hour. It is also possible to set the top of the hour to not be a timed event. That concludes our video on timed events. We covered how to identify timed events in the log, how to set one, the 3 different types of timed events, Start Immediately, Make Next, and Wait Up To, and what it looks like when one occurs. Our next video covers how to plan your program to the clock. Thanks for watching.